Hi, thank you for coming to watch my video. I'm going to unbox the B Essential Edition today, and I actually won the Weverse Magazine, so I'm really excited to open this. I already took everything out of the boxes because the box is like really destroyed and kind of too big to show in this area. So let's kind of go through what we got. So this, I'll show everything at once, so hold on one second. Let's do a pile up. Okay. Okay, so this is only a few of the albums that I ordered because I kind of already started organizing those, and this one took so long because of the magazine, so this one took a bit longer to send out. So these are all the pre-order, what is this, PC holder that came with the album. I'm sorry if I'm a little quiet today and like the lighting's a bit weird because I just moved to a new apartment and it's a bit yeah, so I'm trying not to be too noisy right now. But this is the Jin one, Jimin, Hosok, Jin again, Yoongi, Namjoon, Tae, and Namjoon again. So those are the ones that came with this. This order had 8 albums in it, and then my previous orders, I think the total was like 30. So I ordered 30, and then I was able to win the magazine. So because of the order, there were 4 that were sealed. So these 4 I'm just going to put to the side so I don't accidentally open them, and then I'll show the photo card from these 4. Also, I still have some, these are the pre-order gift and the photo card mixed together from the other orders. They were in order until I like piled them together, so I'll kind of show who I had before. And I already sent out the only Jungkook pre-order gift that I got, so I can't show Jungkook's, but I think I have everyone else except the Namjoon selfie PC. So here's a couple Jin ones. I'll put them upside down so they're still kind of in order. Yoongi and Hosok, got a few of those. Taeyang, so that weird. And then I have the group one. I kind of want to keep one of the group ones because I want that, but we'll have to see because I have a few of that extra of the album. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet. Maybe sell one without the selfie PC. A lot of my orders were for Magne line, and apparently it's very hard to get the Jungkook pre-order gift, so we'll have to see. I literally only got one, but I did get a lot of his selfie PC, so here he is. Hearing, like, I feel like there's a lot of talk in the collector community right now about like people overpricing PCs and stuff. Maybe it's just the people I follow, but it seems like, God, if you're a Jungkook collector, like people, I don't know, somebody posted that his pre-order gift was going for like 90 USD or like 2 members pre-order gifts, and I just think that's so ridiculous. Like, I'm gonna start a second pile. Like, Jungkook is great, I know that, but like, so is Hosok, so is Namjoon, Jin, Yoongi, Taeyang, Jimin. everyone. Like, why is his worth 2 of theirs? It just doesn't really make any sense. Yes, I understand supply and demand, but they all come from the same album for the same price, so I don't know. That's just my opinion. Okay, so let's get into opening these ones. This has a bit of a scratch. Some of these, because it's white, were not looking so hot. So I just like gently split it along there. Didn't split all the way. And then kind of push the book out. So I'll open them all first and then open the books. Open the plastic first, I mean. Okay, so then what I did was just push the book out from the side, photo book, so that the rest of the album is still in the package, and then open to selfie PC. This time we got Jin. So I already put the one that I have aside, so I have a Jin one now. But I'll go through everybody, and then the next one I'll just look at the selfie PC to make it a little faster. Namjoon, Yoongi, Jimin, Jungkook, Hoseok, Taehyung, and Jin. These are so cute to me. I really like them. They're like, the pose that they're doing is so cute. So just tuck that back in and then put it back, and then I will go through one of the albums, the one that's actually mine, in it after I check all these so we can like see it. Okay, this one. Namjoon, yes. Okay, I needed one of these. Okay, so there's Namjoon selfie PC. Now I've finally gotten everyone, like all the members. But for the orders, I think I still needed a lot of Magne line ones, especially Jungkook, and everyone else. I think I got who they wanted, so I'll have to do some trading if people want that. We got Jin. So now I think I have like 4 extra of Jin, maybe something like that. So I already have mine, and then I had a few more after that. Okay, last one that I'll do for unsealed orders. Namjoon. Okay, so I think, I can't remember if I needed 2 or just 1 more for Namjoon. So there's another one. So all of these 2 Jins and 2 Namjoons from these 4. And then the ones that I have extra, I'm gonna sell on my shop, magic shop _ TWT on Twitter. So if you are looking for this, plus it'll have the pre-order gift too, then please check there for my extra ones. Okay, now we're going to go through this album, which is the one I have designated as mine because I broke the, what is this, plastic cover pretty badly. So I have Jin selfie PC, and then the rest, just like I showed earlier. Oh, not the QR. And then let's go through it. So I actually haven't looked at this yet at all. The album started coming in on like Monday-ish. And then when I was doing the stuff for the order, I just like avoided looking at it so I could see everything for the first time. So here's the actual CD. So the one with in the deluxe version has like a photo of them, I believe. Is that everything? So there's the outbox, which is pretty similar to the deluxe edition with this embossing, but it's obviously a lot skinnier. This is the poster, which comes folded. It looks like the same photo as the postcard. Yeah, that came in the deluxe edition. So there's the poster. Either the postcard that came with it or something else. I forgot exactly. But it's the same group photo. And then here's a photo book. The cover is pretty flimsy. I'll hold it like this and zoom in a bit. Ooh, I really like this page. I honestly can't remember what the other one looked like. Like what the differences would be. I really love that couch. It looks so comfy too. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be my favorite page out of all of them, I think. The views like that for each room. Pretty sure this is the Lucky Draw PCs photo. So pretty. Oh, I kind of just noticed they're all different poses. Pretty similar, but different. So pretty. Ooh. His selfie PC, like, I low-key want to keep it. Jungkook's. It looks so pretty. Cute. Always showing off a little shoulder. I love Jimin's room the most. I think the flowers are so pretty. I love hydrangeas. Namjoon's room, the colors are really nice, so I really like that too. Cute. Just like the tones of everyone's room, and then like the matching clothes, or like Jimin's, he said he wore black to kind of stand out. It just looks really cool. They coordinated everything so well. It's pretty. I love his pants, like quilt pants. Cute. So I kind of went through all the members like in their room, and then now this is like photos they took of themselves, maybe is kind of how it looks like. They took it on that camera. I don't think they really did, but yeah, that's how they're making it look. And have they all been black? And yeah, I think they're all black and white too. I like that mirror. Cute. Wow. He looks so good there. And there. Jeez. Get him, Yoongi. Yeah, he looks so good in those. Little bicep. Let me open that up a little more. I'm afraid to... The other one was like meant to be broken, but this one's not. But the seams are always a bit weak in the album books, I feel like. So here are all the lyrics and the like credits. Thanks to. So each of them has a page for their thank yous. Finally, credits for the whole book and the end. So the cover is like really soft. And it's like a smooth paper feel. Okay, back to the normal zoom. Okay, so I'm gonna put that all aside, and then maybe what you and I have been anticipating the most, the magazine. Okay, I kind of freaked out earlier because when I took it out of the box, I saw the front and I'm like dying inside to show. So hold on. It is signed. I am screaming inside. Like, I'm so excited. And yeah, that's all I can say. I don't own anything signed. It says Being. And the back, oh, it's got some ink on the back, but like part of me doesn't even want to open this because wow, but I need to. It was sealed after it was signed, so it's not like this signing is on the seal. So let's open it. Okay, so first of all, while I'm opening this, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has ever ordered from my shop and that ordered from this order, because that's how I was able to get it. My number was actually like, out of 500, my number was like 468 or something like that. I can't remember exactly. So they said some would be signed, and it wasn't like an order basically. Yeah, so I'm freaking out. Okay, the binding is broken, but I'm not doing anything about that because it said you could exchange it, but I'm not gonna get a signed copy if I exchange it, so whatever, that's fine with me as long as the pages don't fall out. So this is the first and only signed thing that I actually have. I've entered fan signs before, but they're actually like way more competitive. Like, it's actually crazy to me that I only bought 30 in one. For fan signs, I bought up to like 250 albums and didn't win. Oh my god. So yeah, this is crazy to me. I'm gonna turn the pages very lightly. Okay, so it's the Korean version of the Weverse Magazine interviews, which is totally fine with me because we've already been able to read it online. It's basically the same thing except in print form. It's so pretty. I'm like literally like shaking. So I know a lot of people buy signed things, which is totally fine, but for me it's like, if it's signed to somebody else or it's not an event that I went to, I don't really like to collect it because it doesn't really have a meaning to me, and they're just so expensive. Like, it wasn't written to me, it wasn't written for me. I don't feel like I want to spend, you know, upwards of like $200 for that. I love that photo. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Yeah, I'm literally like speechless right now going through this. I cannot believe. So I need to put this, I don't know, I need to put it like, I shouldn't have ruined did I ruin it? I could slide it back in there. But I should get like an actual like cover for it or something. I hate how bad the seams are. I was literally just saying that. Oh my god. I was just saying that about the album, and now like the Weverse magazine too. Like you can see the stitching and the glue fell off. Jeez. He's killing it. Gorgeous. Wow. So pretty. Love the colors too and the lighting. Oh my. I love it when he wears glasses. Jeez, like just look at him. What a beautiful man. Wow, he's so cute. Yeah, I was happy to just have it and to just have won it. So I wasn't even thinking, oh, okay, sorry, this is my favorite photo like ever. So I wasn't even thinking like, I need the signed one. I was just like, oh my god, I won. But the fact, I can't get over it. I cannot get over it. This is so pretty. Okay, not to be like Jin biased or anything, but I love him so much. And these photos are like, I don't know, this is like my favorite photo shoot of his. I have it as like my Kakao Talk background, my phone background, all the backgrounds. So cute. He just looks so good. Yes. Long hair, undercut Jungkook. Oh, his tattoos, they took such a clear picture of it. Wow. Wow. Oh, they're all just so beautiful. Like, how? Yes. I love it. He looks so good in that hat too. So blurry. So pretty. He always has such good like eye makeup. Gorgeous. Wow. That is quite a 2-page spread. Love it. The end. Yes. I wish they took some group photos for this. That would have been really pretty. But yeah. Wow. Let's look at the cover again so I can just absorb this information. Okay, kind of like got weird at the side now. Okay, I don't want to ruin it, but wow. Okay. Thank you for watching and surviving my mini freak out. I'm still processing this. This is embossed, not handwritten. But these are all their signatures. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you next time. Yeah. Bye.